All right, guys, welcome to the nightlife of Hanoi. It's just gotten dark and I'm walking around the streets, and I know that the street right next to me is the beer street. So we're gonna go over there and check that out and see what it's all about and see how chaotic it is right now. All right, guys, I hear music approaching, so I think we are now getting close to the beer street. Let's see what's happening tonight. Even the coffee shop is playing party music. A lot of foreigners walking around, so I must be getting close. Now, let me go back this way. I'm lost again. So as you can see, in the middle of the street, they set up these yellow tables and yellow chairs in the hopes that they will soon be filled with people's butts drinking beer. We're on a small little road here, and it looks like there's a traffic jam. Okay, guys, I think we're here. I see a lot of tables and chairs on the street. I see a lot of signs saying beer. Hello, hello. Yo, yo. People chilling outside. All right, guys, we found it. We're here. Look how massive it is, how crowded. Let's take a walk down this walking street here. Yo, yo, yo. So a lot of bars here with little tabletops and chairs in the middle of the street. And a lot of people walking by looking for the best place to have their beer and their snacks. So we're at the end of the street. This is one of the most popular bars here in Hanoi. This is Tom's Bar. Say hello.
Hello, Tom's Bar.
Tom's Bar. This is Tom's Bar. And this is the end of the beer street. So we're gonna turn around here and go back. And maybe we find a place to sit down and have a beer and chill out and relax for a minute. Say hello. Hi. Some really groovy looking bars here with nice ambiance.
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall.
And here towards the other end of the street, it's like jam-packed with little places. All the yellow stools on the ground. Yo, what's up, brother?
What's the pow?
What is it, pow?
Like a sparrow with broken wings. But
Okay, I'll have a beer here.
with your reflection on me, I'm getting back up on my feet. That you showed up was written in my palm.
So I just stopped by Pow Bar and I ordered a Heineken, so cheers. And my new buddy here trying to sell me a vape pen.
You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings.
All right, guys, I just stepped away because the music was super loud, but I had two Heinekens, 60,000 dong a piece, which equates to $3 for, I think I'm drunk because I can't do the math. Anyways, hello. 60,000 for one beer, so $3 for one beer, which is quite pricey, but it's okay. So I'm gonna take a walk around, maybe find some food, and maybe one more beer because I have to wake up super early in the morning, so can't overdo it. So I'll check back in with you shortly. All right, I just found another little small street where it seems to be lots of people, so let's go check out what's down here. More bars. Oh, actually, it's the same street. One beer.
Yeah. Why not?
Bao nhiêu tiền? Bao nhiêu tiền?
Cheap, cheap, cheap.
Không phải, sao quá?
Sao quá?
Sao? Say hello.
The sky
Đi mau đó.
out, I see the possibilities.
Talk, bro.
Hey.
Hey.
YouTuber.
YouTuber mà.
YouTuber.
YouTuber. Now you famous.
Oh, yeah.
Đẹp
Hello,
quá.
Đẹp quá.
Đẹp trai.
You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free. You cut me loose. You make me win in every way.
So I just got to a local restaurant and I ordered cam tam, which is broken rice with pork ribs.
Welcome to Vietnam.
You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You show me how to spread my wings.
So this is the dish that I just ordered, called cam tam. And let's see if it comes out looking that way, guys. All right, guys, so my cum tam just arrived. And unfortunately, it does not look like the photo that I just showed you. But let's see what it tastes like. Let's give it a shot and see what we're working with. So far, so good. Very tender. Nice flavor. Not too bad. All right, guys, I just finished my cum tam. It was delicious. Now I'm going to head back to my hotel with my water, as I have to get up super early in the morning for immigration to extend my visa. So thanks so much for coming out with me and enjoying the day in Hanoi, especially tonight on Bia Street, seeing everything that's going on, the lively commotion. It was fun having you. Thank you so much, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.